Welcome to qnawire.
Made pizza crust, so you decide to do a little experiment. You want to compare different kinds of flour to see which one makes the best crust. Your problem is that the recipes you have all given the amount of flour in ounces and you only have cups. The table below gives the conversions between the volume and ounces of different kinds of flour. Given your recipe calls for 11.5 ounces of bread flour, so bread flour is 11.5 ounces, and 1 cup is 4.5 ounces. How many cups will you need? Enter your answer as a fraction or a decimal. So if 1 cup is 4.5 ounces, you need to know how many cups is 11.5 ounces. So you're going to multiply 11 times 1, which is 11, and then you're going to divide it by 4.5. So 11.5, oops, I forgot the 0.5. 11.5 divided by 4.5 is 2 5/9 of a cups. So the answer is 11.5 ounces equals 2 5/9 cups. So I hope that this video helps. This is a middle school math teacher signing out.